Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you, in this case I'm going to guide you through how to change the delivery address on your Amazon orders. Now the first thing you need to do is launch your app. Then you log into your account. Now if you just want to update your delivery address and the order has not been placed yet, you may just go ahead and select deliver to. You will see it under home section at your top page. All you have to do is tap on it and select manage address book and simply change your location. But in case your order has already been placed and if you like to change the address of that order, select use section or the profile section. Actually, select you section and the profile section, or you can also call it the profile section. Then select orders. Under orders, you will see all the orders that are still pending and have not been delivered to your location, and you will see view or edit orders. So all you have to do now is view or edit the order, as in click on the button, and from there you also see change under your delivery address. Do that, and that is how you'll be able to change your delivery address. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful.